One of my favorite features behind Breeze Agent is that the fact that it brings all the operating system data into the CMDB. So like here, for example, I can see the details from Azure, instance size, the IP address. If I go to the security tab, I can see, for example, what firewalls this machine is open to. But what Breeze gives me is the data from the operating system. So like, for example, I can see what disks are defined, what users I have. I can see what packages are installed, all those other things that Azure doesn't have visibility into. Azure doesn't have the visibility into the operating system itself. And so one of the second features of Breeze that I wanted to highlight in this video is the patch management. So once we have the visibility into the operating system, it's not difficult for Cloudaware to tell, first of all, what packages are installed on the operating system, but also what packages are eligible for an upgrade. So if you look over here at the bottom, Cloudaware upgradable packages, essentially what Breeze Agent does, it says, okay, this is everything that's installed on this machine, and this is everything that Microsoft says you could upgrade, and it actually shows you what patches are outstanding on your machines. And it does this equally well for Windows machines. Let me show you a Linux example as well. So here is a Linux-based machine. If I scroll down, it shows me, it says, okay, these are all of the upgradable packages that you have on your machine. And the other interesting thing that it does is if the patch is security related, meaning that there is a security vulnerability that has been identified with that version of the package, the security checkbox that you see over here is certainly going to be checked. So for example, this KMod, we could probably not worry about upgrading immediately, but a bunch of these PHP libraries do have known security vulnerabilities with them, so we should probably upgrade those as soon as possible. And so the patch management, so Breeze does from a patch management couple of interesting perspective. Right out of the gate, it shows us all the packages, Linux or Windows, that are installed, what's eligible for an upgrade, and whether it's security related. I'm going to talk about actually applying the patches in a separate video. But remember, in the previous videos, I talked about Cloudaware capabilities around workflows and reporting. So one of the things that we could do with this data now is to generate a weekly or a monthly report saying, these are the patches and packages that are available to us. These are or we could create also workflows saying, if there is a new package that's been out there for more than 2 days or 2 weeks, go ahead, send out an email, create a ticket in Jira, create a ticket in ServiceNow, create a ticket in Remedy, and Cloudaware will take an action if it sees that a certain package has been stuck in upgradable mode for certain period of time. So this data is actionable outside of Cloudaware as well, and that's a very important aspect. All right, I hope that this was useful. Thank you.